Welcome to start second part of class 6 political science chapter number 4, and that is growing boys and girls. Under this heading our first heading is under this second part our first title is life of domestic workers. We will see here how is the life of domestic workers. In the above story, we have seen that Harmanpreet's mother was not the only one who did the housework. A lot of work was done by Mangala, some other character, their domestic helpers, many homes. Many homes in India, either everywhere in the world, particularly in the town, in cities, employ domestic workers. बहुत सारे लोग शहरों में, गांव में डोमेस्टिक वर्क करने के लिए एम्प्लॉय रखते हैं, नौकर रखते हैं. एंड दिस डोमेस्टिक वर्कर दे डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क लाइक स्वीपिंग, झाड़ू देना, क्लीनिंग, वॉशिंग क्लॉथ एंड डिशेस, कुकिंग, लुकिंग आफ्टर यंग चिल्ड्रेन, छोटे बच्चों की देख रेख करना या ओल्ड लोगों की देख रेख करना, मरीज जैसे बीमार लोगों की. Most domestic workers are women, and especially these domestic workers are women. Sometimes even young boy or girl are employed to this work also. So wages for this domestic works are very low. A domestic work does not have much value. The people don't give domestic worker value. They get very less value. Or domestic workers, day can begin as early as 5 in the morning and end as late as 12 in the night. Means the person, those who work domestic work, they get up very early in the morning and they go to bed after eating the food by everyone. They will wash the utensils, pots, then after they will be free. Despite this hard work they do, their employers often do not show them much respect. This is what Melanie, a domestic worker, had to say about her experience. So this Melanie was a domestic worker. She had experience. She shared her experience about this. She told, "My first job was with a rich family that lived in a 3-story house. The ma'am sahab was very strange as they would shout to get any work done. Ma'am sahab was not good in manners. She always shout on her. My work was in the kitchen. There were 2 other girls who did cleaning. Our day would begin at 5 o'clock. For breakfast, we would get a cup of tea. And what she get up at 5 o'clock with 2 girls. And what they get in breakfast? Only 1 cup of tea and 2 dry roti, chapati. We could never get a 3rd roti. In the evening when I cooked the food, the 2 other girls would beg to me, मुझसे मांगती for the extra roti, for the extra food. I would recently give it to them. I could secretly, चुपचाप उसको दे दिया करती थी. We were so hungry after walking throughout the day. लड़कियां काम करने के बाद, दिन रात काम करने के बाद बहुत थक जाती. We could never wear chappals in the house, and in the winter our feet would swell up with the cold. ठंडे की वजह से पांव सूज जाते थे. Used to feel scared of the ma'am साहब, but also felt angry and humiliation. उनकी सिर्फ डांट ही नहीं सुनती, उनकी डर सिर्फ नहीं महसूस करती, बल्कि उनकी तरफ से गुस्सा और बेइज्जती भी फेस करनी पड़ती थी. Did we not work day? The girl is asking, क्या हम दिन भर काम नहीं करते थे? हमारे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता था? Did we not deserve to be treated? क्या हम डिजर्व नहीं करते कि हमारे साथ अच्छा व्यवहार हो, रिस्पेक्ट हो हमारी भी? In fact, what we commonly term as homework, housework, actually involved in many different tasks. That homeworks, that housework, domestic works related many tasks. A number of these tasks require heavy physical work and it needs heavy physical work. In both rural and urban areas, women and girls have to fetch water. So this is also a kind of domestic work that women have to go for a long distance to bring water. In rural area, women and girls carry heavy loads of firewood. In some of the family, ladies used to go to bring the firewood also to make the food and to do some other thing. And washing cloth, cleaning, sweeping, picking up लोड रिक्वायर बेंडिंग, और ये सारी चीज़ों करने के लिए झुकना पड़ता है, खड़ा होना पड़ता है, उठाना पड़ता है, ढोना पड़ता है. एंड मेनी मोर वर्क लाइक कुकिंग इन्वॉल्व स्टैंडिंग, और कुकिंग में लगातार बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक खड़े होने होते हैं गर्म स्टोव के पास. द वर्क वीमेन डू strenuous and physical demanding, is very hard and physically demanding and need much power. Another aspect of the housework and caregiving we do not recognize is that it is very time consuming. And next point for the household work, that this work is very time consuming. टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा लगती है इन काम को करने में. इफ़ वी एड अप द हाउस वर्क इन द वर्क वुमेन डू आउटसाइड द होम, अगर हम कंपेयर करें दोनों को और अगर ऐड करें दोनों को, फीमेल जो लेडीज़ जो काम घर में करती हैं और बाहर करती हैं, वी फाइंड दैट वीमेन स्पेंड मोर टाइम वर्किंग देन मेन. तो हमें ये अंदाज़ा लगेगा कि लेडीज़, औरतें मेल से ज़्यादा काम करती हैं. इवन दे डिड नॉट गेट एनी फ्री टाइम और लेजर टाइम टू टेक रेस्ट. Below is some data. This data is collected in 1998 to 1999 by the side of Central Statistics Organization. This is an organization which collect the numerical data. So what they told, some Haryana and Tamil Nadu state is given, women paid work hour 23 hours. In 1 week, women paid hour 23, and they did not get payment for 30 hours. In total are they are working, how many total are? 3 plus 2, 53 hours. In a week, they are doing 53 hours work, but they are getting salary for 23 only. Now next, women's work and equality. As we have seen, the low value attached to the women's household and caregiving work is not individual or family matter. It is not only family matter. It is part of a large system, inequality between men and women. So this is large part. Why? Because it is found everywhere. There is inequality between the men and women, between the work of the men and women. It therefore has to be dealt with through action, not just the level of the individual for the family, but also by the government. So only solution can come by the family? No. Government should also take step for it. As we know now, equality an important principle of Constitution. We know that equality is the main principle, important principle of the Constitution. The Constitution says that the being male or female should not become a reason for discrimination. On the behalf of the gender, male or female, discrimination must not be done. In reality, inequality between the sexes, between the gender exists. That discrimination is present, inequality is present. The government is therefore committed to understanding the for this and taking positive step to finish it, to stop it, to prevent it, or to treat the situation. For example, it recognized that the burden child care that burden that the burden of child care and housework falls on women and girls. So this child care and household work, this all responsibility goes to the female or the girl. This naturally has an impact, and it impact on the girls whether to go to school or not. It determines whether women can work outside the house and what kind of job and career they can have. So due to this disturbance, or you can say this type of responsibility, the women cannot go out and the ladies cannot go to school. If they will not settle this, if they will get permission from the family, they will go. In most of the family, girls leave the school because of domestic work, and ladies do not go outside for the job because of domestic work. The government has set up Anganwadi or child care center in several villages. Government has started Anganwadi or child care center in several villages of the country. The government had passed law that make it mandatory for organizations that have more than 30 women in their side, more than 30. The responsibility of this organization is to give the employment for the ladies. Like that organization have more than 30 women employees, more than 30 women workers, to provide creche facilities, to provide hospital facility, or to provide taking care facility for the children during the working hours, working day. The provision of creche help many women to take up employment, and this creche facilities provide the women job outside of the home. It also make possible for the girls to attend a school, and in this way the girls can go to school as well. By this we came to end of the chapter. So in this way we have seen that the ladies do so many work. Even some of the ladies do the work more than men. Some of the ladies, if they are having baby, so they have to take care of the baby, as well as they have to do the domestic works. And there are so many domestic work. You can see one image is there of the lady. You can see how many works are done by the lady. See, she is carrying something for the washing, for the sweeping, for the cooking, and she have to take care of the children, husband, father, old person, and she stitch also at home something. She have to do a lot of things are given. She have to bring water also, not like this. So in this way we can think that ladies do a lot of work, even more than male. But people used to say my mother is jobless, is not doing the work. This is not so. They do a lot of work, but only we are the people, those who not respect the mother's work. So we should respect the mother's work, female's work, and we should not say that they don't have job. They have job which are very important for us. Okay, so thank you. Respect the work of the ladies. Thank you. By this we came to end of the